Hello, my name is Matias Capeletto, also known as Patak. I work at StackBlitz in open source full-time, where I get to focus on Vite. And for this tip, I wanted to go back to the roots of Vite, to the way Evan introduced it when it first started. We have an index.html in an otherwise empty folder that just says hello world. And normally we could use something like serve to show it in our browser. But instead of that, let's use Vite. We are going to run the command directly on this folder, and we can pass the open flag to it, so it will pick up my default browser and open it. And we have here the hello world. The difference now is that this is a smart dev server. It has all the features from Vite. So we can, for example, create, let's say, main.ts, and here let's have a TypeScript function that it will console log something. So in the index, we can get this script type module with the source main, and then when we save it, we have our message from the TS file, and the page was reloaded. And here let's also have a main.css, and instead of adding the style sheet to the index.html, let's add it to our TS file. So here we can say import, and then we can say main.css, and it's going to reload the page again, but there is nothing. And we can say body, and let's just say background CCC. And when we save it, we have the change in background, and this change was hot module replaced. So that's it. You can not only use Vite for your full projects, you can also use it as a way to play and try out ideas instead of like a CLI command like serve. So enjoy.